since I last saw you. Hello, normal. It's been a while since I last known you, and if I could have had you a year ago, I would have, but now I'm coming back to you. Somewhat said hello, normal, you're the end of my free time. Hello, normal, you're the end of my COVID life. You didn't even try, but everybody wants you back, so I guess so do I. Hello, normal, wish I could see you never. Hello, normal, maybe with you it's all better, but I don't know. But I don't know if that's right. 'Cause somehow I don't know if I can do this all the same. 'Cause somehow I don't know if I'll look at normal the same way. Oh, oh, hello, normal. It's been a while before I was able to say, oh, hello, hello, normal. It's been a while and I guess you changed your face. So hello, hello, my friend. I guess it's nice to see you. Nice to see you again. Hello, hello, normal. I guess that you're my new best friend.